Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Instagram. So once you have your Instagram application open, just head over to the account you would like to block, or if the particular account is following you on Instagram, you can just head over to your followers. And then let's say I want to block the first account here, so I just click on this. So once you're on the page of the account you would like to block, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the three dots there. And then just underneath reports here, you can see we have an option there that says block. So you just want to click on this. And here you can see Instagram prompts you what's going to happen if you eventually block this account. If you're okay with this, just head over and click on block. And then you can see Instagram telling you that you can unblock them at any time from the profile. So once you do that, you have been able to successfully block that account. Okay guys, that's all for this quick and easy tutorial. If you found the video helpful, please give the video a like. I post helpful videos like this all the time. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.